Morning student, in this session we will study the strength of transfer fillet weld. Now this figure shows the lap joint with single transfer fillet weld, and this is lap joint showing with the double transfer fillet weld. Now we will find the strength of single transfer fillet weld. Let us have this figure. Now in this figure we are observing that AB is equal to BC is equal to length of weld. AB is equal to BC. This is known as the leg of the weld. This is equal to S, where S is the thickness of weld. Now perpendicular distance of AC from B means this DB. Perpendicular distance of AC from B point, this means DB. This is equal to throat thickness. This is known as throat thickness. Now T is the throat thickness, A is the size of weld or thickness of plate, L is the length of weld. Now throat thickness is given by T is equal to S sin 45, because this angle is 45. Now the value of sin 45 is 0.707. So T will be equal to 0.707 into S. Now minimum area of weld. Minimum area of weld will be equal to throat thickness multiplied by length. Now the throat thickness multiplied by length of weld or throat area. Now this is equal to T into L. Now putting the value of T is equal to 0.707 into S. This equation becomes equal to 0.707 into S into L. If sigma T be the permissible tensile strength, then the strength of single transfer fillet weld, this is single transfer fillet weld, W will be equal to 0.707 into S into L multiplied by sigma T, and strength of double transfer fillet weld, this is double transfer fillet weld, W will be the double of this, that will be equal to W is equal to 1.414 into S into L into sigma T. Now strength of parallel fillet weld. Single and double parallel fillet weld. Now minimum area of the throat is given by 0.707 into S into L. Now if tau is the permissible shear stress, then the strength of single parallel fillet weld, W, is given by the area of throat multiplied by permissible shear stresses. So W will be equal to, in the bracket, 0.707 multiplied by S into L, bracket is complete, multiplied by tau. And strength of double parallel fillet weld will be double of this, that is equal to 2 into 0.707 into S into L, bracket is complete, multiplied by tau. So this will be equal to W is equal to 1.414 into S into L, this is the area of throat, and multiplied by tau, permissible shear stress. So this is all about the strength of weld. Thank you very much. We will meet in next session.